In nature, the most lethal hunters don't announce their presence. They move like shadows, strike without warning, and disappear before their prey knows what hit them. But what happens when humanity creates a hunter that can do the same? This is the S-70 Okhotnik. In 2011, when the project was first conceived, skeptics called it impossible. A heavy combat drone that could operate alongside fifth-generation fighters? The technological hurdles seemed insurmountable. The first prototype took shape in absolute secrecy, built at the Novosibirsk aviation plant under tight security. What emerged was unlike anything seen before in Russian aviation. 20 tons of cutting-edge technology, shaped like an arrowhead. Its flying wing design wasn't just about stealth, it was about rewriting the rules of what an unmanned aircraft could achieve. With a wingspan of 19 meters and a length of 14 meters, the Okhotnik is larger than some fighter jets. But size isn't its most impressive feature. The aircraft's skin tells its own story. Radar-absorbent materials, carefully angled surfaces, and hidden engine inlets. Every detail designed to make it as invisible to radar as a bird in the night sky. But creating a stealth aircraft was only half the challenge. January 2019 marked a crucial milestone. On a frozen runway in Novosibirsk, the Okhotnik first moved under its own power. Months of ground tests followed, each step carefully calculated. Then, on August 3, 2019, history was made. For 20 minutes, the Okhotnik carved through the Russian sky, its AI systems executing every maneuver with precision. It was more than just a test flight, it was proof that the impossible had become possible. But this was just the beginning. What followed was a series of increasingly complex tests, each pushing the boundaries of unmanned aviation. The most impressive? The Okhotnik's ability to operate alongside Russia's Su-57 fighter jet, demonstrating a level of human-machine cooperation that seemed like science fiction just years before. In the world of combat aviation, power isn't just about speed or strength, it's about integration. And this is where the Okhotnik truly shines. At its heart beats a modified AL-41F turbofan engine, the same engine that powers Russia's most advanced fighters. But it's what this engine enables that sets the Okhotnik apart. Hidden beneath its stealthy exterior is a weapons bay capable of carrying up to 2,000 kilograms of precision-guided ammunitions. But unlike traditional aircraft, the Okhotnik doesn't just carry weapons, it carries intelligence. Advanced sensors and electro-optical cameras give it the ability to see without being seen. Perhaps its most revolutionary feature is its brain. The Okhotnik isn't just a drone, it's a partner. When paired with the Su-57, it becomes part of a lethal duet. The manned fighter can control up to 4 Okhotniks simultaneously, expanding its reach and capabilities exponentially. Think of it as a wolf pack, with the Su-57 as the alpha and the Okhotniks as its hunters. In combat, this partnership could be devastating. While the Su-57 engages enemy fighters, the Okhotnik can slip through radar coverage to strike high-value targets. Or it could act as a forward scout, using its stealth to penetrate defended airspace and relay tactical data back to human pilots safely outside the danger zone. The Okhotnik's stealth capabilities are more than just skin deep. The flying wing design eliminates vertical surfaces that would reflect radar signals. Engine exhaust is carefully mixed with cool air to reduce infrared signature. Even the landing gear doors are meticulously engineered to maintain its ghost-like radar profile. With a combat radius of 400 kilometers and a top speed nearing 1,000 kilometers per hour, the Okhotnik can outrange and outpace many traditional combat aircraft. But it's not just about raw performance, it's about endurance. Without a human pilot to fatigue, the Okhotnik can maintain surveillance or combat operations for extended periods, making it a formidable tool for reconnaissance and strike missions. The real revolution, however, lies in its autonomous capabilities. While exact details remain classified, we know the Okhotnik possesses advanced AI systems capable of making tactical decisions in real time. It can identify threats, adjust its flight path to maintain stealth, and even select optimal attack profiles, all while maintaining constant communication with its human controllers. In the chess game of global military power, the Okhotnik represents a bold move, But like any pioneering technology, it's not without its challenges. Despite its impressive capabilities, the S-70 faces significant hurdles. Its single-engine design, while efficient, creates a critical vulnerability. Engine failure means losing a 20-ton aircraft with no pilot to attempt emergency procedures. Its size, while beneficial for payload, also limits maneuverability compared to smaller drones. Perhaps the most pressing challenge is in its communication systems. To operate effectively alongside manned aircraft, the Okhotnik needs constant, secure data links. Any disruption from enemy jamming or natural interference could render this hunter a very expensive, blind target. Improving electronic warfare resistance is crucial. The autonomous systems, while advanced, still face limitations. Complex decision-making in unpredictable combat scenarios remains a significant hurdle. Questions linger about its ability to distinguish legitimate targets in complex environments or respond to unexpected situations without human intervention. Then there's the practical reality of operating such a sophisticated platform. Its radar-absorbent coating, vital for stealth, demands intensive maintenance. Each flight hour requires multiple maintenance hours on the ground, impacting operational readiness. But these challenges drive innovation. Future versions of the Okhotnik may incorporate redundant systems for greater reliability, enhanced AI for better target recognition, and new composite materials to reduce maintenance while boosting stealth. The S-70 Okhotnik embodies both what's possible and what remains to be achieved in autonomous combat aviation. It's a reminder that in the race to develop autonomous combat aircraft, the real test isn't just creating the perfect hunter, but one that can adapt, survive, and evolve alongside human forces. As we watch this mechanical predator continue to evolve, one thing becomes clear. The future of aerial warfare won't be determined by who builds the best drone, but by who understands both its potential and its limits.